Let me start with this recent deal that both countries struck on the LNG import. How do you see that this is going to impact Pakistan's energy mix and Pakistan's energy needs?
Actually, Pakistan and Azerbaijan have a very long and very cordial relationship. And perhaps Pakistan was only the second country which recognized Azerbaijan after its independence. And Azeri people and Pakistani people have very strong historical and cultural bonds as well. And these are being recognized by both these states. Pakistan at this time is in dire needs of energy.
Of course.
Number one. And number two, the cash in foreign currency. So the present government has been striving to come to terms with these two deficiencies, and in that context this LNG deal with Azerbaijan can prove to be a game changer in the sense that it will provide relief on two grounds. Number one, quantity or the supply chain, and second, the price mechanism.
Of course. Because
at this time people of Pakistan are really feeling pinched with the energy prices, especially with the very strong summer this time, and dire need of holding whatever dollars we have,
of course,
as far as possible till such time we strike the IMF deal, which is the second part of your segment. So in that context, I think this deal is very important.